pay ye den semno ye de ebremo ya boano pa ene ano pay extended version so we nya abotre na wotie ni nyina na enrenumre story be by is yet to be confirmed by Heart to Folk in Penny before, but Kashala Ramos story out there near say Kashala say or terminating a contract with Heart to Folk. Yanu yasemba kwa babeto. Kashala Ramos per se terminating a contract with Heart to Folk. The pre-season God. Okay. Well, Heart to Folk signed a striker from Cote d'Ivoire. Ti nyine kan ho asem ewo dwumadi so na letter ewo Asante Kotoko National Circles Council aba abontain. National Circles Council. I'll read the letter. But it's all about elections. Election Congress postponed. Medobe Urasa in Seminum Ewo Sober TV. Makanwa some share the letter by some more investigations in but well, Makanwa some Ewo Jumedi so na yet to munchinepa ede amamo. Na abwa ama bibia koye. But let's start the news. And Barbara Sports Stadium, Great Olympics, and Heart to Folk. I have a problem with Olympics. I have a problem with them. Master, this is a big game. Olympics has the Manchester Derby. Honestly speaking, promotion for this match is pathetic. I will form papa. Match when the promotion, I will form papa. I think say and then me sure say benya numbers nessa Barbara Sports Stadium Olympics for no you did not promote your game, but you ever call nya ko hedi besi Asante Kotoko ne RTU promo wa form Asante Kotoko ne RTU match promo no e wa form okay. 24th December. 24th December. There should be something around it. A jingle na mu minyabi, minya jingle. And I'm in TV. But promo form for Asante Kotoko RTU. The team is winning. The promo is some page. Promo for Fabu Census. Our form kakra. Virtual seat our form yen to ansem no so asempa we etia yen kan bebre but me de metna me ka church staff no so mbra kwasi ada Kotoko RTU but me feel vibe ni wo krum sa we study tie nipa bebre Christmas plans that match no mon fen kan ho. That's Kotoko's last home game for the first round. December, God being so good, Kotoko is winning in December. No defeat for Kotoko in the month of December. Oh, depending for monkey come on a match promo no form. Promo no form pa. Ghana Blasters. Remember transfer news nyabutre. Ghana Blasters AFCON preparation. That was South Africa. Stars AFCON preparation South Africa. Somehow now I understand say even Ghana Premier League clubs no Obebo League or Ghana but ultimately quiet pre-season or outside even Kotoko Krabeko Italy, Germany, Switzerland, France are quiet pre-season and we'll check the weather or a match out of Ghana. So preparation for the season in a very cool, nice environment where you can have your peace of mind, the necessary training facilities to train for the tournament. But this paints a picture of how poor Ghana when it comes to development of sports. It's a tournament in Cote d'Ivoire. And can a papem say a camp or a crew here? Not even before see about you bought something like a farewell match. na Ghana for the omodom 30 nechi di GDA 30 nechi ansa na ometu akoko di wa ya kati eni hwe Ghana ha. Clearly we don't have the necessary facilities for the Blasters to camp here in Ghana, because the Blasters in camp in Ghana ain't for no training. If Blasters want to train at the Baba Sports Stadium, I see a two. There's a car sports stadium in any condition in room. NS penny for the Adan Entertainment Center, and led by Professor Peter Chumesi. And Yebo shows or Hokra. I think so. And the show home. I think it's net 22nd. There is a program. So they can't use that car sports stadium. Cape Coast, no. So Kumasi. Kumasi so na say dreams bo ha mediama bo ha Kotoko bo ha has bo ha Olympics bo ha. Jombe use her for preparation. It's not possible. And say one unique camping site, you need proper camping site. I design for footballers, someone better how I meet the standard of the Blasters. You need the team I have work out, baby. Just think about it. Just the processing. Near about tournament or could be say Ghana or South Africa, Mungu training or camp or ha. Well, and watch the Okoso or my concurrent friend Ghana. Any conditions you will. Now, Enra made a story on Kumasi Sports Academy, the women team affiliated to Asante Kotoko. Now, there were questions moving beside, and I will have to answer those questions. As I said, the questions now edemamo. Now, move beside says the club owned by Asante Kotoko. No, it's not owned by Kotoko. A gift to your wife, ESCO member, the club. On la berry ladies, yenedia. On one of Kumasi Sports Academy, yenedia. Kotoko number of kids, no. Where Kotoko tie the same, no monta the same difference room. Almost share red and white, but almost Kotoko. Kotoko red ni a different. Almost crest or me use Kotoko there. Because a big team and a Kotoko. In an attempt to suit a club license in your manner, so based on questions and movies, and I realized that you wanted to know if Kotoko na beti or no animal team, which honestly I don't know about that, and I don't see that happening this season. So you say, baby, I'm penning for any channel and come home in team obi team. Omuni Kotoko payroll, so someone asked that question. Omuni Kotoko payroll, so Kotoko kits and your nom use, and it's not owned by Kotoko. And in their game against Supreme Ladies, the Kumasi Derby Omlusu 3-0 with Sabuto. Unfortunate results for Bantama Structive. Omlusu 3-0. So that is with Kumasi Sports Academy. I hope say Machechi Muyi Ama when you muntiase. That's why I will keep on saying drop your comment here. You can drop your comment on Fabu sensors. They intin I will say no. Got ko share. They intin I want no. Fabu sensors no. Person betia. And Blasters going to camp in South Africa. What do you make of that? Now, and I might drop my opinion on the Rashid Note issue. Maybe another time. So me hear video no why be am the back home. But let me move on straight to the issues. And then breaking news about the National Circles Council referred to an early invitation dated on 15 December 2023, inviting delegates for the executive chairmanship election scheduled to take place on Saturday, 23 December 2023 at Sunyane Technical University, 10 a.m. has been postponed until further notice. There's a National Circles Council on election na Baswa. The can want some say you would have bedu Asante Kotoko. Obama Ishia efficacy on the chief of staff. On the letter ama NCC in penny for so mon twintwan so. Now I took committee a amakomihene and a tia edano. So on share circles na mun semu. Now on try na ma election no enko smooth. But in penny for the statement by things on the elections, no, and then national circles na jatum said there be efficacy motoko also na timia ne dia de ka kire mo say montwentwen so no committee have been formed by chief of staff. You cannot organize an election. And unti omo are postponed. Circles no letter we menya abo trepa o mena ya no pa nipa bebre pentema kwa adwuma. The stories me boni tew na mo etimi akọ. In the elections na nyamba so 23rd. Na Kotoko had a game against Antwi on 24th. Oh kumase. And a circles na mpanimfo no kwa elections wo sunyane 23rd. Ma Kotoko bo Antwi ya our game against Bofo wo sunyane. So someone will ask, Sanye mumbe mobilize supporters no. Mumbe ha Kotoko game no against Antwi. Enya na mo pese mo yam elections wo sunyane a. Na nka Kotoko ne Bofo no. My elections no must solidify grounds for Kotoko against Bofo wo sunyane. And I'm the make an nyansen. You can drop your comment. But I think I'm Kotoko born the last home match first round new year. Na venue na okoye no Kotoko match wo ho. Nti mo organize congress ni bi a Saturday a. Na mo dey grounds work ni nyina na nka Sunday no ama Kotoko atimi anya fertile land a Bofo. But on the 23rd, a day before Kotoko ne Antwi ge bare mpanimfo etu eheda. On yonko transfers no. So what that sorry anope. Now we share YouTube or any sports website. Now so be a trust Kotoko. I intensify the talks with Imoro Ibrahima Nipanin Kantro. Mokrena Nipanaka. So ben me de ma. One say medical Canada. Se Kotoko approach Imoro. Na nkomo na bia beturu ba bi se ka Kotoko ni media ma home game na se Imoro ba. Na nka obehia mpanimfo. But Wamba Stadium when Sikuma simple and no train mu Tamale. A corner wife for so the wife child or Tamale to a can ho to Wamba. Na eba na sa na akwa to say Imoro enida foreign deal so. Good. Na Blaster squad yi bayi. Ena Kotoko chite ni ba akopa. Owon kan ne mpotemu ho. Efrey Imoro catcher and say Kotoko starting with dinkomo even before say first window ni be close. Na mpanimfo be some foul as a marquee sign. Wamba. Ma hwe Afcon list mu pa Imoro ka be boy. Any boy ni enim se onim bono. Kwan hwe yan ka Afcon ikran ka betime na kola. Nti susumu ani nda amanone no. Na be bo ma Kotoko no. Now I'm confirming it here on Sober TV. Say, Ohini Brenya, Coach Ogu, David Okulumu in our technical team, no, they are in love with Imoro Ibrahim. Now I got to bench now, Benya, opinion feno, Wilson Asare, Benya Imoro Ibrahim, once I got to Imoro Ibrahim assistant from Park Academy, got to David Okulu. Or Ogu, or Najao, or Joba, or Himibrenya. Tiny pound soon amabumudin. On Wednesday, Nienu, any Imoro Ibrahim Chichenkomo. We pass 7 amabon, 2 of them, any Imoro Ibrahim Chichenkomo. Na omeni abrepa, somo pe Imoro, Ednaba Beshekot Kutimu. It is true, Komona sa sebio. But as I'm speaking to you, my catcher will say any terms and conditions has been agreed at Nameboa. The catcher will say conditions has been agreed at Nameboa. Or Kumas or Ghana ha, but on Jane Tum, Kotoko Fueguso, and a Nekasa. Also a free agent, they are Kotoko de Bemano, and a Bemanaba. I also Kotoko take catching coach Aquasiapia so come, Mary Fia Aquasiapia. The Omi 8. Emu tu ni Imoro twin komo den yanko other stories so eno me de to wanim se an no achi cause no amantimi amba asamo mo fa nche mo ate ɛno akyi mede to m'anim sɛ John Antwi Kotoko make approach ɛwɔ John Antwi ho na me confirm ma sɛ ɔmani di akyire die wumnie too early to say omba but chance so beba no wo fom ni nyina say nura come e call so am source pony bi ma me na say dreams for no with GD said they can perform much better or the CAF Confederations Cup omo GD pa on say dreams e 9 points we winning 2 home and we winning 1 away according Rivers for Nigeria no about Bekani or Ghana into it mean 4 points even out of these matches are qualified so bit me say with me Rivers or say Rivers and only Rivers come draw no be winning home here for dreams now and until dreams penny for who say some of the boy any season also when you Black Stars call up there's so many new season now I'm share modern ball Africa no now say Afcon obenya bi akwa na wonya bi nko and the modern ball be ama dreams at the end of the season and our season we no omo yo measure offers available so mu da ho a na bi ni ho a they will talk to Kotoko to dreams for na makasa na anya tintin be o metwa no short e di ama Kotoko ewo Joseph John Antwi ho for now no which I say about 20% chance of him coming 80 say omba and no ye de da ho a me dey ma was over TV chances of him coming is very very small now Clifford and in the modern boy be dreams at the end of the season and our season we no omo yo measure offers available so mu da ho a na bi ni ho a they will talk to Kotoko to dreams for na makasa na anya tintin be o metwa no short e di ama Kotoko ewo Joseph John Antwi ho for now no which I say about 20% chance of him coming 80 say omba and no ye de da ho a me dey ma was over TV chances of him coming is very very small now Clifford Aboakye nkomo no wura mu yi sa but kakra matie na say for now ni Kotoko sheet so kakra mate no so ni Kotoko sheet so that is what I can say intimi nkomo bebre ma won say it's all over I'm gathering my sources we should be say this omo update you want say Kotoko team no sha this is where my opinion comes in this is what I think so we should Kotoko team ni din you realize that Asante Kotoko team na da hono they say times most of the team that Kotoko is playing against almost target Richmond Lamte to neutralize Richmond Lamte Olympics for any play that job no to perfection ni ye kama nti Lamte nya sa freedom no so be build up or spread the passes so I strongly believe Kotoko need another creative midfielder to the level of Lamte. They say the closest one in terms of form because there's a form no form so in terms of form Babaya any player ba ko abetimi aka so we send your bona ultimate ball am te the be ma passes no here the Onema Isaac points are very brilliant Kotoko ne Legon City so ye bia but says a new ha na Kotoko yi Lamte free my could change amana na beba no so no or the other so the park no so he has his own style he's a deep line playmaker on deep in the lines no playmaking and advanced role until so we baba free na nya Clifford Aboakye bia bam no so be cheche passes no some maturity no net top or din e be play fans aba stadium or top when you no Lamte ni bia wo ye changes na baba ba say improvement no but okay we nyina ho ade ba ko Kotoko chita for as obia I won't say all of them because many obia din komo but if you check the platforms I hold also obia kan Rashid Norte ono so boss abo ni bi Rashid not any Kotoko started preseason. This is my opinion. It's not a story. Let's know the difference. We are me madrin chere. Only Kotoko started preseason. And Kotoko entimi register no. But he's still on the payroll of Asante Kotoko. Busumi biya Kotoko Trianica. So from where I sit and what I think, me say, unless send the prano, Kotoko crowd the neighbor baka untimi bebo. If that is the case, then no problem. He can still stay away from the team. But say, or you fit. Maybe within bed 3 months, you're trying with me regaining the fitness here. Now, indeed, he can contribute some because the Oguma I know is interested in results than wow, Bobo. On results, not pay. So if he can play, I think he wouldn't be a bad addition to the Kotoko team. Just second round, Nicolas Eba, Bernard somewhere in your full recovery. Now Rashid not a sort of bench. Now Abdul Fattah Safi Swaba, which means say changes, and say Oman start to crowd changes are almost a mom free bench, and the suit to be strong, come the quality, drop the standard of play. So if only Rashid Note can play or fitness, enough fitness, set the tempo of the game in the second round, it can be of importance to Kotoko Dia. I think say player Kotoko Trianica, it won't be bad to use him. But if the prano or need the fitness, if what kind of feeling why you do with prani are there, not just because we want to please the fans in Tienko Fanembra. If the technical team believes that his inclusion will not help, no problem. And I still think that Kotoko born in Dia. They say Shadrach at the national camp no any identity no. I could consider nyano. There's no sono inconsistency was as a born. Oh, and a month when you call am tene ya hopa. Si tur baby nanka in a creative back biswa bank Kenya bad. Until for now, like I'm saying, Clifford, minya information they say he's on the sheet. They mean say the godfather or Kotoko technical team, but minya information they also or back Kotoko. But the creative media, let's assess Rashid Note, measure his fitness, proper medicals, and if only he can play, you man a chance mono sombebo second round he been from Asante Kotoko. Because you can see that the fans are calling for him, and the voice of the people is the voice of God. But continue that way at the point now, non-new players near more than old players. But Chitafuya were calling for some of the old players. And now look at Shaif Mohammed midfielder, Babaya. The fans called for him. You know who the oil. Justice Bay. They were calling for him. You know who the oil. Team one or the other. Say share no bit me a bon quandia. Wouldn't be a bad addition to have him on board. That if the injury is beyond him having any kind of impact on the Kotoko team in the second rounder, then we can look elsewhere. Enti Imoro story na matum chinama ma chiri machro se kot company fo na twetwe nkomo den ena maka John Antwi dia na chiro se dreams fo no hu ne se dey middle of the season pa dia e be din so mbejano amana aba Asante Kotoko anu ye die fi oba medema ano pay dia omuno aka Kotoko 2 training sessions ene Kotoko be training not China Kotoko training. Na Sunday, about against RT. Last home game of the first round. For now, there's no injury issues for camp. Yente so be na mebu be prana, obi konye ni ano obi tie ni ano yente, which is positive for Asante Kotoko. Yente anopai, akre de bye, any other de chiri, ede ano. Bye bye.